One of the most loved skills of the Apple Intelligence is the ability to rewrite any text. If you need a pretty handy tool that can let you rewrite articles, this feature is for you. But what if you no longer want to use this feature or wish to prevent your kid from misusing it? No worry, because there is a pretty neat way to permanently block the Apple Intelligence writing tools on Mac. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So to get started, you have to launch the System Settings app on your Mac in macOS 15 or later. Alternatively, you have to click on the Apple menu located at the top left corner of the screen and then choose System Settings option in the drop-down menu. Then you have to select the Screen Time option. Then you have to choose Content and Privacy option. After that, select Intelligence and Siri. And then you have to turn off the toggle right next to Writing Tools. In the end, make sure to click on the Done button and you are all set. You have successfully disabled the Apple Intelligence writing tools on your Mac. Hence, you can now rest assured that your kid, or for that matter, any of your family member, will no longer be able to make use of the Apple Intelligence to write any piece of text. Later, if you ever want to get back this feature, just return to the same screen time setting and then you have to enable the toggle right next to Writing Tools, and that's about it. If I found this video helpful, do like, consider it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye-bye.